How to fix KB5037849 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few steps to fix the problem. Type in Services in Windows search and press Enter. Scroll down to locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. If it is already running, right-click and pick Restart. Perform the same steps with Windows Update and cryptographic services. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
now open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Enter the command one by one and press Enter. After that, restart your computer.
if that didn't work,
Copy and paste next few commands. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Step 4. Click on the link that you will find in the description of this video. In search, type the error code and click on Search. Select your version and click on Download. My system type was 64-bit. Once the update is installed, restart your device. Step 5. Open Start and type Run. Click on Restart. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.